Is that cash or card, ma'am? Ma'am?
Rick?
Beg your pardon?
Will MasterCard do?
Be just fine.
You know, you remind me of someone a lot.
I do?
Yeah, a boy, a man, named Rick Jarmin, whose plane went down in the mountains in Mexico 15 years ago.
Well, I never went to Mexico, you know, ma'am, but I always
You
wanted
laugh
to.
like you.
Well, I didn't mean to.
You look like you.
I don't know what to tell you, ma'am. Here, you want to sign that? Well, you have a nice day then.
Billy Ray,
Ma'am?
do you have a tattoo?
A tattoo? No.
Your upper right arm, Dove?
No, I don't have a tattoo.
I'm not leaving till you show me.
Hope nobody's looking. There, satisfied?
Right arm.
I got some shrapnel there. I took that in Vietnam. It's all down my right side. You want to see it?
I'm sorry. My friend would have never been in that war.
Meaning what?
Oh. He was very much against killing.
I'd like to help you, sir, but all I know is that Officer Barrett is retired, and his cases are being referred to other officers in the department.
Hey, that's not possible. He would not have retired without at least telling me. I mean, he's been handling my case for the last 15 years.
If you would just give me your current name and ID number, I can put you in touch with your new case officer.
Look, with all due respect, lady, I don't know who the hell you are. And if I give you my name and ID number, you're going to know everything from my rising sign to the color of my jockey shorts.
Hold, please.
Now, hang on. Damn it. Hello. Excuse me, guys.
Yeah?
That call you've been waiting for?
Mm-hmm.
He's on the line. He won't give me his current name or location. He's demanding to talk to Lou Baird.
Rick? Hey, boy, how you doing? This is Joe Wayburn. You remember me? I set you up at that 1-hour photo lab in Cleveland. What, 1978, was it? No, wait. No, it's 1979.
I don't remember you.
Well, you know us FBI guys. We all look alike. Oh, well, you are one rolling stone, aren't you? Where are you now, Rick?
Where's Lou? Why did he retire? He would have told me he was retiring. Why didn't he do that?
Well, to tell you the truth, Rick, he lost you.
He lost me.
Yeah. That's why we put him out to pasture. That's why I'm on the case.
Why did he, where is he? Where did he retire to? Come on, where did he retire to? Look, he once gave me a number. It was his sister's place in St. Louis. He used to go there on vacations. Is that where he is? Am I getting warm?
Look, he's out of the picture, Rick. Now, what is it? Are you in some kind of trouble?
Oh, no. No, not at all. Where's Sorensen?
Still safely in jail as far as I know. Yeah, here he is. Well, you got nothing to be worried about. He's never getting out of there, boy.
Yeah, what about his partner?
Diggs.
Yeah.
Unless he's made another pass at you, he's probably got his drug money and living the good life in South America somewhere. We have no idea where he is.
Well, that's a relief.
So what is it, pal? Relocation time?
Yeah, I guess. Where the hell can you put me?
Where are you now? And what name are you using, Rick? Come on, buddy. I'm just trying to do my job here.
Bowers, Billy Ray. I live above Marvin's Motown Motors, 1840 Canoga Street, Detroit. Did you get that? Because I'm not repeating it. Somebody came in and recognized me today, and I want to get the hell out of here before they come back.
Right. 2 days, Rick.
2 days.
Yeah.
boy.
2 days. You just hang on, and we'll have somebody come on in and get you.
Okay, I'll be hanging.
The dramatic drop in the second quarter foreign sales figures reflects not only the negative effect of the strengthening dollar, but a definite upsurge in competitive production on both the European and Asian markets. When you add this to the recent surcharge imposed by the EEC nations, it seems clear that to preserve the kind of profit margin our shareholders have come to expect, we most definitely have to make substantial cuts to our per unit production costs. While it is true that to some extent our rising costs will be defrayed by the recent acquisition of Coleman Shipping, we should be very clear on the fact that the amount saved covers less than 40% of the ground.
All those opposed? If Miss Graves will respond. Miss Graves.
Yes. No.
You are abstaining from the final vote?
Yes. No, I am not.
I see.
So she says to me, Marvin, you're not getting any younger. You gotta think about that young man you got working for you and offer him a partnership. You don't have no sons, you know.
Well, heck, you ain't known me but 3 months. How do you know you can trust me to stick around or even keep my hand out of the till?
I got my eyes on you.
Well, the hand is quicker than the eye.
Well, I'm going upstairs and get some sleep. See you in the morning. Think about that partnership, huh?
Marvin? See you in the morning.
Does that mean it's a deal?
Sure, we'll think about it.
Good night.
Night.